In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check backlinks on Semrush. This process will help you understand the quality and quantity of backlinks pointing to your website, which is critical for your site's search engine optimization and overall online presence. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and go to the Semrush website. Simply type in semrush.com into the address bar and hit enter. Once the page loads, you'll see the Semrush homepage. Now, if you already have a Semrush account, the next step is to log in. Click on the Login button, which you can find at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials, such as your username and password, and sign in. If you haven't created an account yet, you might want to do that first, but for this tutorial, we'll assume you already have an account ready to go. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here, you need to locate the SEO section, which is typically on the left-hand side of the screen. In this section, you'll find a variety of tools and options that Semrush offers for optimizing your website. But for our purpose today, we want to focus on link building, so keep an eye out for the section labeled Link Building. Under the Link Building section, you'll find an option called Backlinks. Click on this and it will take you to the Backlinks Analysis tool. This is the key feature we will be using today to check your website's backlinks. Now it's time to analyze your site. You will see a field where you can type in your domain or the specific URL you want to analyze. Enter the domain name of your website in this field and click the Analyze button. This will initiate the process of gathering data related to your backlinks. Upon completing the analysis, you'll be presented with a comprehensive overview of the backlinks associated with your site. To dive deeper, click on the Backlinks tab, which is typically found at the top of this page. This section provides a detailed list of all backlinks pointing to your website, including information such as the source URL, the target URL on your site, the anchor text used, and the authority score of the linking domain. Here, you can start analyzing your backlinks. Look for patterns, identify high-quality links, and spot any potentially harmful links that could affect your SEO. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to check backlinks on Semrush. Regularly reviewing your backlinks can help you maintain a healthy link profile, boosting your website's visibility and performance in search engine results. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.